Many dropshippers struggles because they treat their store like a vending machine, listing tons of trending items without the plan. The results: unpredictable margins, inconsistent customer experience, and no long-term value. The smarter approach to transition from random product selling to building a niche-focused brand, and Doba enables that shift with the right tools and data. What sets Doba apart is not just access to suppliers; it's the framework it provides for sellers to build a business that is resilient, scalable, and customer-centered. You are not guessing what product to sell; you are using demand trends, supplier metrics, and integration tools to build a reliable supply chain around a consistent brand experience. Choosing a niche is not guessing work when you are using Doba. Inside the platform, product search is not just about keywords. You can layer filters like shipping location, wholesale cost, retail margin, inventory count, and supplier performance. So let's say you are considering launching a store in the sustainable living space. You can use Doba's category navigation to drill down into eco-friendly household items, filter for US-based suppliers with high fulfillment accuracy, and compare price ranges to find high-margin, low-competition product. Once you identify potential winners, Doba provides data on their historical performance, fulfillment reliability, and the estimated delivery time. This means you are not picking products, you are planning around customer satisfaction and repeat business. One feature often overlooked in dropshipping is product bundling. With Doba, you can easily group complementary products from the same supplier or similar fulfillment region. For example, a seller in the baby niche can create a newborn essential bundle, a baby carrier, nursing pillow, and bottle warmer from a single supplier to reduce shipping complexity and create a premium offering. And as you know, bundling is more than convenience. It increases average order value and allows you to present your store as a destination rather than just another listing. Doba simplifies this process by letting you compare suppliers, shipping policies, and bundle compatible SKUs. And many dropshippers start on one platform like Shopify or Ecommerce and later expand to marketplaces like eBay, Walmart, or Amazon. Managing this growth manually can be overwhelming, but Doba integrates similarly with major e-commerce platforms, allowing centralized order and inventory management. This means no switching between dashboard, no manual CSV uploads, everything sync in real time. And this unified backend is particularly valuable when managing flash sales, tracking product performance across channels, or updating prices in response to supplier changes. You can set automatic rules for product availability. If a supplier's inventory drops below a certain threshold, Doba can auto-pause the listing to prevent overselling. That's really critical for maintaining customer trust and avoiding chargeback. And as your brand matures, branding becomes more important. Doba enables long-term sellers to transition into white labeling, working with selected suppliers who offer unbranded or customizable packing. So let's say your wellness brand is gaining traction. You can identify suppliers on Doba who offer generic products without logos, then use your own branded packaging and insert for delivery. Some suppliers even offer branding service directly within the Doba platform. This takes your business from dropshippers to brand owner and opens up door for better margins, brand royalty, and even retail partnerships. And Doba is not just a product catalog, it's also a source of business intelligence. You get access to report on product performance, top selling categories by region, and supplier fulfillment consistency. You can use this data to forecast demand, adjust your product strategy, and identify new opportunities. For example, if a certain subcategory like solar garden lights showing increasing demand in the Midwest region, you can prioritize those listings and run region-specific promotions. Even better, Doba tracks suppliers' behavior over time. If a supplier starts showing longer fulfillment windows or lower rating, you get notified. This level of insight is critical when building a long-term business. And for sellers managing stores across time zones or during travel, Doba enhanced mobile interface is a game changer. The updated design makes it easy to browse products, check orders, and communicate with suppliers all from your phone. You can quickly sort products by profitability, access suppliers' messages, and even push listing to a store while on the move. The mobile app supports quick toggles for fulfillment region, inventory status, and shipping methods. So even while traveling, you are in control. For digital nomads, part-time sellers, or anyone who prefers flexibility, this means your business is always accessible without needing to be tied to a desk. And finding good supplier is half the battle in dropshipping. Doba simplified this with a deep set of supplier filter, because you can search by fulfillment speed, shipping origin, refund policy, order accuracy, product quality rating. These filters make it easy to eliminate unreliable options and focus only on vendors who meet your brand standard. For large catalog operations, you can even assign supplier score threshold so your team does not accidentally onboard low-performing sources. This depth of control helps protect your business from poor customer experience, and that matters when scaling a brand. And once your store is up and running, automation becomes essential for growth. Doba includes tools to automate pricing, rules, inventory syncing, and order forwarding. You can create pricing tiers based on product category, shipping region, or margin percentage. When a supplier changes the cost, your listing updated automatically based on your rules, means no manual updates required. This reduces human error and allows your store to remain fast and perfect. Whether you are managing 5 products or 500, you are not stuck in spreadsheet or changing updates. That's how you maintain profit margins even as the order volume increase. And dropshipping has evolved, and so should your strategy. It's no longer about chasing trends or selling one-off products. The sellers seeing consistent revenue in 2025 are those who operate like brand builders. The sellers seeing consistent revenue in 2025 are those who operate like brand builders and supply chain strategies. Doba gives you the foundation for both, from deep supplier intelligence to real-time integrations, global fulfillment to mobile control. The tools are built for scale, consistency, and customer satisfaction. So if you are serious about building a resilient e-commerce brand, one that earns repeat business and grow with you, Doba is more than a product sourcing tool. Link in the description, don't forget to check it out. And if you want to know more about Doba, then definitely go and watch this video now.